In this guide, we're going over all of the working codes here in 2026 for BloxStrike on Roblox. We're also going over how you can enter those codes. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Now there is a lot of codes to enter in, so we're going to go over them all very quickly. The first code is going to be mission, spelled exactly like this. Up next, we have Easter 2026. Make sure that these are all caps, by the way, and typed in exactly like I am typing them in right now. Up next, we have stiletto, just like that. From here, go ahead and move on to update 320. From here, do game broke 318. Up next, do dust underscore II, so dust 2 essentially. Once again, type it in just like that. From here, do lol 30-minute downtime, just like so. Now, a lot of these are going to be giving you a ton of credits, by the way, so you can use these to get a ton of different cases. But up next, we have BloxStrike's X Metal. It's a part of a partnership that they did. Up next, we have Seaside, spelled exactly like that. Up next, we have 25 million visits, which of course, congrats to the BloxStrike team for that. Up next, we have Wear Back, spelled exactly like that. Then we have Butterfly Case, Game Broke, spelled like that. 10K concurrent users, so 10K CCU. Up next, 8K CCU. Then 10 million visits is our next code. You also should still try this New Year 2025 code, as well as the QOL update, just like so. Try also doing Christmas 2025 still, as well as Winter 2025, just to see if these are still working. Try Sorry Thursday as well, that'll give you some free credits. And finally, try 1 million visits. Now, not all of these codes are going to work at the time of you watching this video, but at the time of you making this video, they are working. So make sure that you type them in as soon as possible in this little redeem code section right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.